Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows big. To start, selecting the right ingredients is crucial for achieving that impressive size and fluffy texture. You'll need high-quality gelatin, which provides the essential structure, and a precise sugar-to-water ratio to ensure stability. Don't forget a touch of cream of tartar. It's key for stabilizing your meringue and contributing to the marshmallow's overall volume. Next, let's talk about the meringue and syrup. Whipping your egg whites to stiff, glossy peaks is essential for incorporating air and creating that light, airy texture. As you whip, slowly and carefully pour in your hot sugar syrup. This syrup should reach a temperature of 240 degrees Fahrenheit before adding it, as this precise heat is what cooks the egg whites and gives the marshmallow its characteristic chew. Now for the whipping and setting. Continue whipping the mixture until it becomes incredibly thick, glossy, and holds its shape beautifully. Before pouring, make sure your pan is well greased and generously dusted with a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch to prevent sticking. Then, allow your marshmallows to set undisturbed for at least 4 hours, or even overnight, for the best firm texture. Finally, it's time to cut and store your magnificent marshmallows. Lightly dust a sharp knife or a pizza cutter with powdered sugar to prevent sticking as you slice them into your desired large shapes. For optimal freshness, store your homemade treats in an airtight container at room temperature. They'll stay wonderfully soft and delicious for up to 2 weeks, ready for snacking or hot cocoa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.